Conditions in the Arctic are obviously difficult. The winter, there's very little light. Even in the summer, the sun is at a low angle, and so the heat will be spread across the earth, and so it will be cold. And then also there will be snow cover that will cover plants. And then this cold has a range of consequences. Cells may freeze and break. The chemical reactions driven by enzymes would take place more slowly. Proteins may denature. So it is very challenging for plants to grow. But there is a diversity of plants growing here. Just in this area here, there's some dwarf birch, there's some crowberry with lots of berries, there's some azalea, there's some lichens, there's a moss, there's some grass. So there is a diversity of plants growing here. So how do they do that? Often the root systems are shallow because the ground is often frozen or waterlogged. Many of them are cushion forming, and by forming cushions, it means that they can trap air low to the ground, which can then stay warm. Some of them have hairy leaves. They tend to have small leaves, reduce water loss. And then they have a set of chemical responses. So they might have proteins that act as antifreeze. They have sugars that act as cryoprotectants that lower the freezing point of the cells. Some species do it by avoiding the winter. So Arctic poppy just appears in the summer, grows, sets seeds, disappears again, and has a very short period of growth. So the Arctic conditions are arduous, but a range of species do manage to survive here, and they provide the basis of the food chain for the many herbivores that you see in the Arctic.